In this video I will discuss about workout tips and tricks. Here are some workout tips and tricks to help you optimize your fitness routine. Set clear goals. Before starting any workout regimen, define what you want to achieve. Whether it's weight loss, muscle gain, or improving endurance, having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated. Start slowly. If you're new to working out or getting back into it after a break, ease into your routine to avoid injury. Begin with lighter weights and shorter sessions, gradually increasing intensity and duration as your fitness improves. Mix it up. Variety is key to preventing boredom and plateauing. Incorporate a mix of cardiovascular exercises, strength training, flexibility exercises, and balance work into your routine. This not only keeps things interesting but also ensures you're targeting different muscle groups and aspects of fitness. Focus on form. Proper form is crucial for preventing injuries and getting the most out of your workouts. Take the time to learn the correct form for each exercise, and don't sacrifice it for the sake of lifting heavier weights or going faster. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body feels during and after workouts. Push yourself, but know when to back off if you're feeling overly fatigued or experiencing pain. Rest and recovery are just as important as exercise for progress and injury prevention. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after your workouts to stay hydrated and maintain optimal performance. Dehydration can negatively impact your energy levels and ability to exercise effectively. Fuel your body. Eat a balanced diet rich in lean proteins, complex carbohydrates, and healthy fats to fuel your workouts and support muscle recovery. Aim to eat a nutritious meal or snack containing protein and carbs within an hour of exercising. Get enough rest. Adequate rest is essential for muscle repair and growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep per night, and consider incorporating rest days into your workout schedule to allow your body to recover fully. Set realistic expectations. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a fit, healthy body. Be patient with yourself and understand that progress takes time. Celebrate small victories along the way, and don't get discouraged by setbacks. Find what works for you. There's no one-size-fits-all approach to fitness. Experiment with different workouts, schedules, and environments to find what you enjoy and what fits into your lifestyle. Whether it's hitting the gym, going for a run, practicing yoga, or dancing, the best workout routine is one that you'll stick with consistently. By incorporating these tips and tricks into your fitness routine, you'll be well on your way to achieving your goals and living a healthier, happier life.